Alright guys, this is my Crf250. It's got the stock exhaust, and today I'm going to show you how to put in a different exhaust. One of the problems with this bike is that it's very quiet. For me it's a benefit, but I want to see what an aftermarket exhaust sounds like. All right, using a 5mm, we're going to remove this. There we go. Yeah, so definitely there's two bolts holding this right side fairing, and that's it. So far I'm liking the maintenance here. Very simple. Is this the airbox? We'll check that as well today, might as well. So this is the exhaust. And the bolt we're going to remove is this one, which is a 12mm right here. All right, there we go. Remember, the exhaust, because I've started the bike, is going to be hot. What I'm going to remove is this one right up there, and that is, I don't know if that's stock, but that's a 13mm one. We'll have to use a wrench like this on the other side to hold on to the nut. I'm just going to put it on here real quick. And we're simply just going to, and that's it. I don't know. There we go. Just kind of like move it back and forth. There we go. You know, it's not too heavy. I was expecting it to be heavier than this, but you know, even if you like the stock sound, the problem with the stock exhaust is that it weighs a lot. To unbox this FMF exhaust, definitely a lot lighter. FMF looks great. Comes with its own bolt here as well. This might be the bolt that belonged on the bike. So we're going to go ahead and slide this in. Remember, this is a slip-on. And we're just going to slide it right in. Should be, man, it goes in. It's like a perfect fit. This bolt that comes with it, just going to, with this, make sure it's nice and tight, and definitely hand tighten it. And yeah, the bolt that was here, that's the stock one. Wait to hear this. Holy cow, what a big difference. I really like hearing the motorcycle get an aftermarket exhaust like this, but it sounds really good. I don't think I'm going to go back into the stock one. And I think it looks pretty clean. I don't think this is going to be... Oh, and it's got these little clips. Man, Honda just thinks of everything. Yeah, it's super clean. I think I'm going to go for a little bit of a ride. See how she feels. All right, let's see how this thing sounds. Wow. Wow, so much nicer. I'm just going to go for a quick ride. There's no stutter or anything on this bike. You know, I did a video for Vehicle Hunter. You should check it out. I showed this bike thoroughly. But the more I look into it, I definitely think that this is a very good mini Africa Twin. They try to make the CB500X the little mini Africa Twin, but I really think that this is a much better bike for small adventures. If you want a small bike for adventures, the Crf250 is like a budget bike, and it's also very attainable, very easy to ride. It doesn't have any of the pretense of having a big adventure bike. I don't know, I'm starting to like this bike a little bit more. really like the idea of getting beginner bikes, but the beginner bikes now are crazy expensive. No, I don't want to get wet. What happened here? Even behind cars, this sounds cool. And it's actually pretty fun. You're going to be shifting a lot on this bike. Hey buddy, what's up? That was a BMW, I think. See if he'll spin the tires if I take off. Oh yeah, that was pretty fun. Nice. I hate cornering on these tires. Look, I'm not even going fast. I'm going 37 miles an hour, and it feels like I'm like racing. We're gonna hit the highway here and just hear really quickly what it sounds like when it's revving up. Just got to do a little bit of a run here. Sounds pretty good. I definitely like it. I like hearing the bike. You know, even though this is a very fast revving little 250, it sounds pretty darn good. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.